This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We're cracking 2017 Gold Rush Autograph Rookie Update. Jersey Football 1 box eBay break on May 15th, 2018. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. All right, we got LKPT GT Seller rocking the Saints, Giants, and Jets. We got Best Big Sales with the Jaguars, Cowboys, and Texans. We got Landon 9251 with the Eagles and Niners. We got Doob 1219 rocking the Rams, Patriots, and Steelers. We got 801 K-Town rocking the Broncos, Packers, Chiefs, and Raiders. Pure Dio with the Vikings. BJ's Moose rocking the Chargers, Dolphins, and Panthers. Go Diva 1-7 rocking the Colts. Your Friend KB rocking the Lions. Go Diva 1-7 also with the Browns. And R Murillo 1979 rocking the Bears. That is your full lineup. Okay, we've got your sealed box here. Gold Rush Football Jersey Rookie Update. We're going to work on getting her open here. Okay, plastic is off. Time to crack the seals. All right, it is go time. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Ooh, might have a little throwback here. Let's see here. We got our JSA cert. Number 14, JSA cert on the bottom with your autograph. Oh my. Testaverde. Oh man, an old school Vinny. That is the college throwback Vinny Testaverde autograph. All right, so this, of course, is going to go to the longest tenured team that Vinny was on. Just double checking that, obviously. I know I'm 99.9% sure, as is probably everybody else, but just verifying here. 3, 5. All right, so he was with the Buccaneers from 87 to 92. That's 5 years. Browns was only 2. Ravens was 1. Jets for 5 years, 98 to 03, 2 and 5. Plus the Jets again in 05, so that makes 6 years. So JETS, Jets coming your way on the Testaverde. LKPT GT Seller, congrats. That's coming your way. That's a beautiful Testaverde signed. Miami throwback college jersey on the Vinny. That's gorgeous. Congrats. Coming your way. Of course, I'll be sticking around if anybody needs anything. Coming up next, 2018 Gold Rush Autograph Basketball full-size jersey. I do have teams available for that as well if interested. So stick around, guys. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it.